Guys, so good morning, guys. Actually, it's afternoon, you guys. We pick up Rachel's stuff from her old place, so that's what we're doing, and then try and figure things out. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we're gonna go get put my stuff in the dryer, so that's what we're doing. So yeah. Now, you guys, we are playing some Ziggy. Yeah. Right now, you guys, we are watching Herbie, so that's what we are doing. I'm going to today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.